Hello guys, thank you for joining me again for another video. If you're not a subscriber, do hit the subscribe button just down below. It's free. Just hit that and join the family. Today guys, I'm going to be thank you to my old and new subscriber. Let me not forget you guys. Thank you to my old and new subscriber. I loved you lots. So today I'm going to be doing a very easy makeup tutorial using pairing it with a red lipstick. I'm using MAC Rubio on my lip, which is really nice, and I'm glowing. I used the Huda highlighter to glow today. So yeah, if you want to see how I came up with this look, stay tuned for this video. Since I've prepped my skin and I've moisturized my face already, yeah, so now I'm going to prime. I'm going to be using a new primer, but this is a sample. you guys know in this place I like sample. I'm not ashamed. Yeah, I like sample. So I'm going to use the Too Faced primer. This is the Too Faced primer. I'm going to try out this primer. Like I said, this is a sample. This is not the full size product. Nobody should come for me. This is a sample of the Too Faced primer. It smells like peach. It smells really nice. Thank God I'm wearing my robe. I just dropped some on my body. That's the scent of the primer. But for people that don't like scents on their product, mostly when you are sensitive, I don't think you will like the Too Faced products. Always come with a scent. It's very luminous on the skin. I can see that because like my skin is already glowing. If you can see that on camera, I can see my skin glowing because I say it's luminous on the skin. I want to be able to be doing a videos. Like I understand like everybody, like some people don't want to like sit down to watch long videos. I understand that, but at the same time I want to be able to do videos that people can actually follow, because that's what my channel is all about. I'll do simple makeup that ordinary people, like people beginners in makeup, can actually follow. That is what I want to be about. I don't want to be about getting all the subscribers and getting all the views and forgetting about why I really started my YouTube channel, which is for ordinary people like me, because I tell you, I learned everything I know from YouTube. So I want to like dial it back a bit, do videos and explain things that I used so that you can actually follow them. In Maybelline Super Stay 24 hours full coverage foundation. I love the Maybelline Fit Me foundation a lot. So I decided to get this Super Stay foundation. And this is the two darker shades I could find in Superdrug. Before I do that, I'm going to color correct my skin. I know I don't need it, but I do need it for my marked area. I'm going to use the MAC Pro Conceal and Correct palette, which is this. This is a very popular palette by MAC. Put this around my mouth area. This is a very nice color to conceal with. Oh, I like it. And this is really creaming. Sometimes I'm looking too light on camera, sometimes I'm looking too dark on camera. I don't know. I think I need to like touch up my setting. Apply the foundation. So like I said, I'm going to be missing the two foundation because there's nothing anybody can do about that. I'll blend using my F brush. Oh my God, the coverage of this foundation is beautiful. Since I have somewhere to go and I'm doing try and error, I'm supposed to be doing try and error when I'm staying in my house. But I'm going to highlight using a new concealer that is, it's not really new, but they added like one dark shade on the drugstore. This is the collection concealer. It's called number 5, and this concealer is supposed to be used for like 16-hour wear. concealer. This is a 16-hour wear concealer. That is what they said. And this concealer retail for £4.99, and it has how many? It has 6.5 ml. The long lasting concealer. Yes, girl. If this, what does this shade remind you of? Tell me. This remind me of, you know, the LA Girl. No, yeah, the LA Girl Phone color. This is what I'll be looking for in a liquid form. Oh yes, collection. If I don't know why this is the only shade you came out with. If you can do this, you can do more. Like, this is giving me LA Girl Phone in a liquid formula. This is the yellow I'll be looking for. Like, I understand other companies are doing cheap concealer, but this is just the best color right now. LA Girl collection concealer, sometimes it's too drying for my face. So this right now, this is LA Girl Phone in a liquid formula. Sasha Buttercup setting powder, so I'm just going to quickly blend and set with the Sasha. Because my under eyes crease really fast because I have food underneath my eyes. So I will leave that to cook. Boy like a yam, boy like a yam, boy like a yam, boy like a yam. I'm going to contour my face using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. To use the shade C15, the Makeup Revolution Concealer. I'm going to use this. A little bit of this concealer goes a long way. That blend. This brush makes it blend. This is the Nip and Fab correcting palette. I'm going to take the shade Cocoa and Chestnuts. I'm going to use it with the Grit Technique brush crush brush. So for blush, I'm going to use same palette. This is the Nip and Fab contour palette. They have this beautiful blush right here. This palette. The blush is called Sunset. Smile when you are doing this. There's no point frowning your face. It's a happy day. The beautiful blush, Sunset. You can use one brush for everything. With that, now I'm going to do my brows. I'll still leave this underneath my eyes. That is not, it's not disturbing anybody, but I will just leave it there. I'm going to use the MUA Rich Brown Pencil and the collection brow, not really brow gel, eye gel, eyeliner. I do my face first before my brows because it takes time sometimes. Since I've cleaned my brows today, because I had my brow cleaned today, so everything should be easy. I know it's looking rough, but how are you doing? I'm going to fade this in. Brow during the day. This will stay in put all day. This is pretty long wearing because it's an eyeliner. So I use this Benefit Brow Mascara. Set the brows in place. Guys, just get yourself a sample and try out. I'm going to clean the brows using the concealer that we used. concealer is beautiful. Yeah, like it. Then I'm going to set that with the Sacha Buttercup powder to keep that look down. Is that what I want to do? Yeah, my face powder. I will take the face powder, and I'm using the MAC powder. Yeah, this is dead. I'm going to use the MAC powder. This is the MAC Studio Face Powder Foundation. I'm going to take that to dust off the Sacha and bring color back to the lid a bit. This is just a liner pencil by Collection. I've never used a liner with this type of mouth before. Let's try this liner out. Let's see what it can bring to the table. So let me try and do a wing. Oh, mistake. I like the fact that it's very black, but that part of doing the wing without is not going to work. I'm going to take Collection eyeliner in the shade Blue 7. I take this and apply this on top of the line. Give my eyes a bit of something. My waterline. I'm using this liner by LA Girl. This is the LA Girl black eyeliner. You know the contour palette that we use to contour? I'm just going to take a color from there. I think I'll use the contour shade. I'll just like blend that through my under eyes. Contour shade and the blush shade. Let's take these two shades through the under eyes. If you don't know how to do like an eyeshadow look yet, this is the best way to just make your eye pop. Now apply more of the liner, because I said once it's dry you apply more. I use this to dust off the excess powder. Beautiful, like that baking is beautiful. Baking. The Huda 3D. Yeah, wait to highlight. I'll leave the name at the description bar. So I just like when you move it, the way it glows. So I'm going to take this. I'll use any of the shade. Give me one. This one right here. As a base. Oh, that glow is glow. You can actually build up the pigmentation of the highlighter, and it's quite easy to blend. I'm going to use this one at the top, and that was the creamy one. This one at the top. This highlighter, I don't need to wet brush you. It's highly pigmented. Look at that glow. I'm going to spray my face, then apply lipstick and mascara. That is all. I'm going to use the MAC Charge Water. I'm going to use the MAC Ruby Rule and the MAC Cherry Lip Liner. Like the glue needs a red. So I'm going to use the MAC. Lipstick looks like this. So beautiful. mascara, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This is the final look. This is how I'm looking. The red lipstick just took the eyes to another level. I really like the Huda Beauty highlighter. It's popping, very pigmented, really nice on the skin. I like this palette a lot. So guys, I'm in a bit of a hurry. I have to go now. Thank you so much for watching this video. The foundation, I'm going to do a detailed video on the foundation, so that won't be a problem. I'll come back and review that foundation for you guys. But for now, everything just hold up really well. I like the collection concealer. Everything I always use will be at the description bar on where you can find them in the UK. I'll try and look for a link in the US at the description bar. So if you have any comments, any suggestion, please leave it at the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you guys on my next one. Bye guys.